Hi everyone, this is Cherry Enchantress, and I'm here with a fishing expedition. So if you guys are interested in charms and you just want to fish with me, then you're in the right place. I'm taking a cue from Charmed Intuition, who's talking about she has certain charms that kind of go with Halloween more than any other charms, and I'm going to sort through my charms to see what kind of Halloween charms I might have and use them for this upcoming weekly reading and love message from your person. All right, so I thought you might like to search with me just for fun. All right, so right away I'm seeing this one I called Dobby. This was my first familiar who passed away, and he turned into a charm. Let's see what else. Oh, a potion bottle. That seems pretty good. I might have to go into some more cats. Cats. Black or otherwise. Oh, top hats. I don't know. Top hats seems like kind of costumey. Alright, this is what I'm going to... This is not as easy to do this way, so I'm going to pour these out. Did you like the sound of charms being poured? Alright, then stay tuned. I'm kind of thinking this one. This one is like... So, you know, Charmed Intuition Liz mentioned that you can get a lot of your charms from like dollhouse things, and this came in a set with a fortune teller, and this is this fortune telling set with a crystal ball. The crystal ball, the bottom of it broke off, but I still call this crystal ball. So it's witchy, which is kind of like all year long, but we'll just go with that. Okay, let's see what else. Now, I know there's at least one very specific Halloween-y type charm. This one is a button. So this is another thing that you can get to add to your charms, are buttons. And I found a lot of cool Disney related buttons, and this one is Jack Skellington, so that's a good Halloween charm. There you go, that's my Halloween. All right, let's see, anything else. Now, spider webs. Okay, yeah, here's a spider web. That's Halloween-y enough. Do you guys think about the charms that I have, and maybe you can... Now, owls are any time of the year, but it's definitely fun at Halloween. I've got a lot of music, leaves, fall leaves, got bells. I have a lot of, well, not a lot, but a few Santa ones. I'm also going to separate my saint charms for the All Saints Day, so that'll be something that I do also. So I have a lot of saint charms that my sister gave me. She just started collecting saints. And this one's definitely for Christmas. It's like angels in a box. Angels in a box. Christmas box. Some of them I just might put in, even though they're not specific to Halloween. I definitely like the skull and crossbones. That's a good one, representing death, transformation. I'll throw in another owl too, if I can grab it with these nails. Let's see what else. How about some eggs for Halloween? I bought this whole like travel one, so it came with all these, you know, buildings and places. This one is just old jewelry, but I love this one. This is my Pentacles times 1,000. All my charms have a name, more or less. A meaning. They all have a meaning for sure. This is a good one with the cards, like magic and tarot and sorcery. Speaking of sorcery, or maybe another top hat for the magician. I never thought of that, the top hat as the magician. I always call it my past life charm. Maybe we can throw in a cross for faith and exorcisms. Could throw in some of these words and keys. Oh, I know there's another key in here with the skull and crossbones, and I'm gonna throw in all my owls. I don't know why, but I'm feeling. Oh, now this is the Scrooge is Christmassy, but it is about the ghosts. Let me see if I can find anything with ghosts. I don't have a ghost charm that I know of, but I'm gonna keep looking to see if I have anything that goes with ghosts. This little card right here is a gypsy. She's a fortune teller lady. So we'll put her in there. Here's a good one of a mask. And maybe a tiara for dressing up. Oh, the bats, for sure. Bats. Nighttime creatures is what or nighttime activities is what I call that. Maybe a bit of palm reading? Palmistry? On my prayer hands. That's one I like. And then I just like, sometimes I just like little stones. Maybe I should add in a snake for good measure. And there's another crown. Candlestick, you know, yeah, romantic, candlelit. Makes me think of Phantom of the Opera. That was a good one to watch during this time. Let's think of some romantic Halloween stories or spooky stories. I went live last night and I was thinking of Ghost, and that's a good one, I think. I find my key, the skull with the key. So to me, this is like key to transformation. I don't know why this rose is calling me, but sometimes, you know, it's important to have some other ones. The rope, interesting. maybe the rope, the red thread, that's what I call the red thread. Candy canes. There's another kitty cat. And another leaf. And another cross. The world. Snowman. Maybe I should put some music in here. I like this one to represent music, the big cello. Maybe some apples. Well, I think that covers it mostly for my metal charms. But we can, or maybe we can use to put a little house in there too. Little cottage in the woods, a little Red Riding Hood energy there. Oh, and this one, and Pixie does, so we gotta have Pixie does, so we'll put those in there. And we have 2 rings over here. Maybe we need at least 1 ring for commitments and proposals and marriage. I don't know, coffee. Coffee is good at this time of year, your pumpkin spice latte. Oh, pumpkin. Good. I'm glad I didn't miss that. Alright, I am going to pour this back into my bowl, and then I'm going to look at my plastic ones. As I pour it back, I'm going to look out for anything I might have missed. Cupcakes. I don't have any candy type. In fact, I don't have any candy decks. I've thought of getting like one of the Love and Crystal's candy decks. There's a lot of good ones, and a couple of ones that Charmed Intuition showed on her deck collection looked interesting. I have to do with candy, but I don't have candy. You can always throw in, you know, like wrapped up candy, even if it's just temporary, you know. Donuts. And here's my plastic ones. This has a particular fun sound to it too. Now, these are mostly like Disney and baby charms and stuff, but we'll see. Do I have anything in here? Maybe a mushroom? Mushrooms. This one's okay for moods, and I like this one to represent, you know, being on camera or filming or something like that. I'm not sure I want to use that though. We have Mickey Mouse Disney. I don't have any Jack and Sally, any other buttons, so just have the princesses. And we have some a little amethyst rock I can throw in there. I love Mom. Let's see. And letters. I have iridescent letters, but these are just some letters that have, it's just like a different wood, and then also they're colored letters in the different wood. And then there's all these little tiny baby letters and feet and dress. Maybe dress for dressing up, costume. We'll see. We'll just use that one. And a little Hello Kitty. Angels. Magic carpet rides. Aladdin. So, I don't think I'm gonna get too many more of these. Oh, I was thinking it'd be cool if I had something like a material like this that I could turn into a ghost. I might try to do that. I might try to do that just for this, for Halloween this year, or maybe it'll be a permanent fixture in my charms. Oh, that's a little ladybug. How cute. All right. Yes, I think that's it. Castles. That's okay. I think that's it. Okay. Do you want to hear him go back into the bucket? It's kind of satisfying too. Of course, you can skip over it if you don't like that. Maybe chandelier for dancing. For party, representing party, celebration, night out. I did enjoy very much last week making a word for you guys to find, and I had fun giving away a free reading for somebody who found all the words, and the phrase was make love, wait, something make love something. I don't remember now, but it was sweet. Okay, look, I'm just curious about my buttons. I have some buttons over here that used to be in my charm, but it's just like, it just got to be too much for one, and for two, they were poking me. But I have, these are from the 80s. I used to collect buttons and keys and keychains. I don't know if any of these I want to use. I remember whenever Van Halen came out in charms in people's readings, I always say, you know, dystopian, because it was 1984. Oh my gosh, I feel like things have gotten even more dystopian. And this one was fun because I would see it as an invitation, somebody inviting you to go out with them. So yeah, I don't see anything that would really pertain to Halloween. And they just were really overtook. I like the boss, Bruce Springsteen, kind of represented the masculine, divine masculine to me. And also Billy Idol represented kind of the eccentric one. But, and also AC/DC did too. And Kiss. Mr. Spock is that loving guy who, you know, Leonard Nimoy actually talked a lot about how he sort of adored the full-figured woman, and so he did a lot of uplifting that form, and I was very appreciative to know that. A good guy. Anyway, so yeah, nothing in the buttons. I don't think either if I find anything, then you will know it when it comes to the reading. You'll see, oh, where did that come from? She must have found something or made something. But yeah, that's basically what I'm going to use for this upcoming weekly message from your person. So yeah, hope you like that. If I trust the pixie dust.